Hi everyone, in this video I will discuss how we can set up the offline conversion tracking for Google Ads without any paid CRM or any paid tools or paid automation tools. Okay, it's all of the thing will done by Google Sheet automatically. Okay, for this we need actually two sheet. On off is our CRM sheet and on off for ads upload and on off for CRM sheet. Okay, actually the CRM sheet will collect all of the information from the form when a user submit a form. Okay, recently I done a project one of my client. Now let's see how what I set up and how it's working from the backend. Okay, and for that in Google Tag Manager I set up three custom HTML code on for my form event listening, and on for GCLID store, and on for GTM to Google Sheet. Okay, and now let's see in for the GCLID store I write a code here, and by this code GCL ID, Google Click ID will be stored in local storage. Then this code actually will collect all of the information, all of the necessary information. Then this that will send back to Google Sheet with GCL ID. Okay, from the local storage. And this code actually for event listener code, it's a HubSpot. I am working with HubSpot form, and in the HubSpot form from the in HubSpot form we have to add a listener code to push or send back the user information, the data layer in Google Tag Manager backend. Okay, now I am going to test the setup it's working or not. As you can see, there is the user information that I already test, and you can see there is a number 9th column. Actually, when user submit the form, then this Google Sheet will automatically collect those data. Then my business or my client, when my client and the business will contact with the user by phone number or the email. If the business and if the client think this lead actually is a qualified lead, then they can mark the lead as a qualified. And if they think the lead is a paying customer and converted, then they can mark the lead life cycle state as a converted. Okay, when the lead state update here, we have one more Google Sheet, that is the Google Sheet ads upload. Actually this sheet will connected with Google Ads. When someone mark the life cycle stage, when a lead actually in a life cycle stage converted, then this Google Sheet will collect the data, and also the conversion name automatically updated. Okay, now let's see. I am going to test the setup. Actually now I'm going to the preview mode to test this it's working or not. We can see there is a 9th number lead column. Okay, and also I add a GCL ID with the URL. Now let's see. Okay, just I am enabling the preview mode. The preview mode is loading. Okay, there I have a HubSpot form, and I'm going to fill up this form with my information. Okay, let's submit this form. Okay, just as you can see, there is a 10th number in 10th number lead, and the email and phone number, my first name, last name, and other information is here. Okay, I'm going to fill up this form again to show the lead status for the lead lifecycle status update. Okay, now I'm going to submit this form again. I'm going to add here a test email, and let's submit it. Okay, then as you can see, there is the 11th number lead also here. If I mark if I mark this lead as a qualified, then this lead will update in here. Okay, and I add some script code here in the Google Sheet. Actually, by this code, by this tag, custom HTML GTM to Google Sheet, the the Google Tag Manager will send the data to Google Sheet. Okay, but in the Google Sheet, we also receive the data. To receive the data, we add some script code, and as you can see, there is an script code, that is the CRM to Google Sheet. And by this code, I add the user information and append the row to Google Sheet. Okay, and now if I make this lead as a qualified, as you can see, there is a six number column. Now if I mark this lead as a qualified, then as you can see, as you will see, there is a seventh number lead, and the email and the phone number and the full name, first name last name is hashed, because Google need hashed information for the user information, and other information is GCLID, conversion name. As you can see, also conversion name automatically update. As you can see, there was a conversion name was intake lead imported, and as you can see here, the lead conversion name is qualified. Okay, and now if I mark this lead as a converted, then as you can see, there is the one more column add, and the conversion name is changed automatically, and there is others information, phone number, email, and first name last name also hash here. Okay, and as you can see, there is the conversion value, but for the conversion value, we did not send a dynamic value, just send a generic value. But when a client deal with the customer, and when a client make the lead is converted, then they can change the value here. If they change the value here, then also the value will change here. Okay, that's the thing. Also, we add one more app script to send those data, send the user information from CRM sheet to ads upload sheet. We add this code here, this code. Okay, by this code, Google sheet, our main sheet, will send the data to Google ads, Google ads upload sheet. Okay, now if I go to ads.google.com to map those data to Google, then I have to go to one of my Google ads account. Okay, this sheet actually will be connected with Google ads. Okay, now I am going to open one of my account, Google ads account, as a practice purpose, but I'm not going to reveal my client account for sensitive case. Just I'm going to show you how it will connected, how this Google sheet is connected with Google ads. Okay, now if I go to the setting admin section, I have to first of all, I have to create some goal. I have to create actually two goal. Okay, it's a offline conversion, save and connect, and it's a, first of all, I'm going to make the qualified lead, and qualified lead. Uh, they tell me to connect the Google sheet, but first of all, I can connect the Google sheet here. When I go to the goal section, there is an option for upload. Then I can make a upload schedule, then the select source Google sheet, and it will be update every 24 hours, and the time zone, I can add this night time 12 am. Then I have to link the Google sheet actually, then from my Google Drive, I have to search a folder. Okay, this is the ads upload sheet. Also, now I have to share this sheet with this account. Actually, just have to share this Google sheet with with this Google Ad account as a Gmail email actually. Okay. Now Google will know who is our paying customer and who is our qualified lead. Okay. Then save and preview. Now this schedule will be saved. Actually there will be some error because those GCLID is not the real GCLID. When someone came from you, that there will be real GCLID, but those are test purpose GCLID. That's why Google can show here some error. Okay. Okay, we have to wait the data scheduling and the mapping, data mapping. Okay, they can they get 6 error, but no worry for that because they just look at that. The import GCLID could not be decoded. Make sure click IDs are correctly formatted. Okay, they can't format the GCLID because those are the test purpose GCLID. Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Hope you understand the thing how we process the data to Google Sheet, then the process the data to Google Sheet CRM sheet from the Google Ads upload sheet. Okay, thank you so much.